Here's how to make QR code using image on your smartphone. So on your smartphone, go to a browser and search for QR code generator. Now open this website meqrcode.com. So just open this website. In here we have to select image and now tap on upload image. Now we have to sign in here for free. So tap on login with Google and choose your Google account to sign up for free. Once you successfully signed in, now tap on upload image. Now from your gallery, select the image. Tap on done. And here we can see the image has been uploaded. Now you can type your image name here and you can choose here a content category. Then tap on customize. And here we can see a QR code already generated. Now if you want to change your QR code shape, you can just tap on shape and then you will be able to select a different shape for the QR code. And once you're happy with your QR code, just tap on download QR code and tap on download QR code. And here we can see my QR code has been successfully downloaded. And now I will view the photo from a different phone. So I'm just scanning this QR code from my another phone. So let's scan the QR code and tapping on the QR code link. And after scanning the QR code, the link will redirect to the page where I can easily view the photo. As you can see, the photo is showing.